Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, and in this video I'm going to be talking about our stainless steel shower hose. Like all HammerHead showers, we make these built to last. The coil outside is made from 304 stainless steel with industrial electroplating so it doesn't rust or anything like that. The connectors are solid brass, so they're not going to crack or cross the thread or anything like that. And the inner tube, something not talked about a lot with shower hoses because you don't see it, but we use silicone, medical grade silicone, which reduces biofilm, that nasty gunk that collects inside of the shower hose that you don't see. And most manufacturers on the market either use PVC or synthetic rubber like EPDM, which they're not sanitary at all. So you can see this hose, it's super flexible, but it's also very durable. This is our 72-inch model, so 6 feet long, but we also have a 108-inch long shower hose, so if you need that extended reach, we've got that too. Same HammerHead Showers quality. You can see this is mounted on our shower holder and with our hand shower by HammerHead Showers. Super flexible, easy to move around, unlike stiff plastic hoses on the market. So this is our universal replacement. It'll work with any shower holder, any handheld shower head that you have. You don't need to buy a new handheld shower head. Please don't make waste if you like your shower head. Just get the part that's failed you, and that is probably the shower hose. So get a HammerHead Showers, one that's built to last and will last a lifetime. Available in 5 finishes. We have anything to match your style: chrome, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, matte black, and polished brass. Thanks for checking me out at HammerHead Showers. Signing out for now, I'm Justin Ball.